Each quality improvement and innovation, just for a better bathing experience and create quality life for your family. Gemake, choice out of love. Guangdong Gemake Electric Appliance Co. Limited is a comprehensive, large-scale private water heater enterprise which is specialized in research and development, manufacturing and marketing. Gemake, untiring efforts, not only make a cozy bath for human beings. Over the years, we have persisted in the best possible quality. We're committed to creating more convenient and comfortable bath experiences for consumers. Gemake has a comprehensive development of hot water solutions, including products like electric water heaters, gas water heaters, hybrid boilers, and heat pump models. Since its foundation in 2000, it has already formed the largest water heater industrial park in southern China with an area of more than 16,200 acres. The annual production capacity is as high as 3 million units. Gemake, quality inheritance for 18 years. We have domestic patent technology for single weld line on inner tank and insist on the promise of 10 years tank replacement service in China. From a single category to different well-known engineer cases, Gemake creates customer satisfaction with consistent quality improvement and passes through certifications from 3 international authoritative institutions. It has a comprehensive and high-standard testing laboratory with over 40 core water heating technologies and more than 100 independent inventions and patents for utility models. The products serve more than 20 million families from over 60 countries, and cumulative sales exceed 10 billion Chinese RMB. Gemake always adhere to the innovation system with user experience as the core. With advanced technology, strong R&D background, professional quality, and comprehensive after-sales service, we strive for 100% customer satisfaction. Gemake, embrace fashion, high intelligence, enjoy convenience and comfort. Gemake, with large-scale sale and promotion teams, help distributors and dealers to create brilliant career together. Gemake, advocating the culture of interest community, adhere to the concept of new education marketing. Assist distributors and dealers to understand and prepare marketing strategy. Build marketing teams with independent core competitiveness. Establish and improve more quality and new experience terminals. Promote the development of different business in the whole category. From online to offline, integrating diversified media and channel resources. All-around investment, business nurturing, business improvement, and powerful terminal. Create a win-win eco-industrial circle for sustainable development. During 18 years, we've been working hard. From super single product to super brand. Gemake always takes action to help the brand run perfectly. The blueprint has already been painted. Leap stars from now on. In the future, Gemake will continue to work hand-in-hand with distributors to create a win-win situation. We strive to achieve the goal of selling 1 billion products in 3 years and make unremitting efforts to build China's high-end intelligent hot water heating brand. To achieve the beautiful version of cozy bath for human beings, we keep moving forward.